It's good to see you. How are things going with Ryan?
The plan is working well. He really enjoys using the computer in the morning, and he wants to use it at other times during the day. So it's kind of a reward for him. I've also noticed that his behavior is improving too. He's much more focused on his work.
Yeah, it sounds like he's doing really well. What changes have you noticed in his reading?
He still hasn't caught up to most of the class, but he doesn't stand out as the lowest reader either. So he's probably still in my bottom group, but his reading seems to be improving since I've been working with him.
I'm glad you're seeing some improvement. How do you feel about continuing the plan for the next few weeks?
I think it's helping, so I'm planning to continue it. But I would like to look at the computer program manual because I think there are some other activities that go along with it that I could give him during workbook time or for homework that might help reinforce what he's learning.
So you think he might add some activities from the computer program? How is he doing on his sight words?
I'm not sure if he's practicing them at home, but I've been reviewing them with him and my other students during group reading. I think he has a pile of about 15 words that he knows well. I've been adding about 5 new words a week, and the old words, like you said, and it really helps him stay motivated. I've been giving him a sticker for every 5 words they learn, and I think he has about 3 stickers now.
Oh, so it sounds like the flashcards are working and helping as well. How was his oral reading during group?
Well, now that I'm selecting sight words from the books that we're reading during group and repeating the same book a few times per week, he's reading much more fluently and is able to answer many of the comprehension questions.
It sounds like his reading fluency is improving, and he really may actually be catching up to his peers.
Exactly. He is actually reading as well as my other students, but on a slightly lower than grade level reading material.
It looks like he's making steady improvement. During baseline, he was reading between 36 and 42 words per minute, which is at the instructional level. Now, he's reading more fluently, and he's close to what would be considered mastery at his age, which is around 50 words per minute. He needs to be reading material that is at his instructional level if you want him to be able to make steady gains in fluency and comprehension. This will help him catch up with the rest of the class more quickly. Now that he seems to have mastered this material, you might want to start integrating some new reading materials that are at a slightly higher level, but at his current instructional level. It would be good to give him the current reading materials to practice on his own, since he's already approached mastery.
Okay, so basically, I continue the current plan, but slightly increase the difficulty of the reading material.
Exactly. Do you have any other questions?
No.
I'm glad that he's doing better. Is there anything else you would like to discuss today?
Not really, but I guess it would be helpful to meet with his parents to discuss some of the things I'm doing with him so that they can help at home.
Has he been doing his homework lately?
More than before, but he still doesn't do all his assignments. I know his parents both work full-time, and some of the other students in my class don't hand in their homework either. So I haven't been as concerned about that, but it would be nice to make sure we are all on the same page so that we can do some of the things, we can be doing some of the same things with him at home that we're doing in class.
Yeah, I think that would be helpful too. I'll call them up to set up a meeting.
Great. Thank you so much for your help.